Good morning, students. Now let us start with the sixth chapter. Fifth chapter over. Now sixth chapter is applications of differentiation. This is called applications of differentiation. First, some formula. Standard result for cost BC. Average cost is equal to simple function AC. Average cost is equal to C of X, cost base, total cost base. And the cost is what? The function involving f of x plus constant derivative, the whole thing derivative. Average variable cost means without constant. Suppose it cost is what? X cube plus 2x plus 3x plus 2. 2 is the constant. Without 2, there is f of x is called y x is average variable cost. Then average fixed cost means the constant term by x. The whole thing by x means average cost. The word involved in term by x term by x means this average variable cost. Then only without x constant term that by x means average fixed cost. Marginal cost means that C now MC. The C is differential with respect to x. Marginal average cost means the average cost multiplied by AC. The AC is differential with respect to x. Total cost is average cost involved. The same way, standard result for revenue. Average revenue means AR, that is R base. Marginal means that R is related to the space. Marginal average cost is MAR no. Already average revenue already find no. AR represent AR with the space. Marginal means you want to differentiate with respect to x. Marginal cost means that cost is differential with respect to x. Marginal revenue means revenue with respect to x. Marginal revenue means that revenue differential revenue with respect to x. Standard result for profit, the same thing. The PR is profit. Average profit is what? A is P base. Marginal profit is what? That P is differential with respect to x. Marginal average profit means average profit amplified no? Average profit. Average profit if the average profit amplified out differential with respect to this is called marginal average profit. Marginal average profit means first to find average profit, that one differential with respect to x. You get the marginal involving you want differential. Marginal cost means the cost only differential with respect to x. Marginal average cost means first you find average cost, then differential with respect. In this way, first exercise, by using this area, so many problems are there. Lengthy exercise, by using this problem, this area, we have so many problems there. I will do one by one exercise problem. You must follow the formula, and also the differentiation is very important. Without the differentiation formula, this is not possible to do. That's why fundamental differentiation now, you must follow everything in the previous chapter. Now listen here, exercise 6.1, the first question. Here the question, a firm produces X tens of output at total cost. This is good. C of x total cost C of x equal to 1 by 10 x cube minus 4x squared minus 20x plus 77. Now what is happening? Find the average cost, average variable cost, average fixed cost, marginal cost, marginal average cost. These are all asking one by one. Now, C of x, already told you know, the x term involved in this is called f of x. This is called k constant, find it. Average cost means, what is now? C of x x. C of x what? 1 by 10 x cube minus 4x squared minus 10x plus 7 by x. Now divided by x, 1 by 10 x cube x is x squared. 4x squared x is only x. 20x by x cancel, only 20 plus 7 by. This is the first answer. The average variable cost means f of x by x. Am I right? F of x means the term involving only f of x. That is variable. The constant is called k by it. Now write the variable f of x. 1 by 10 x cube minus 4x squared 20x plus 7 by x. Now divide 1 by 10 x square minus 4x. Sorry, 7 will not come. Minus 1. This is the answer. Average cost means C of x is. The C of x is given now. The whole thing is. There means what are the x is given. That one divided by x. Then average fixed constant means the constant by x is the formula. What is the constant? 7 by x is the answer. That's all. From the question itself, you want to write C of x is equal to, you know, this all the variables together is called f of x. This is called k. In this way you want to measure. Am I right? Otherwise, you can see clearly here, let f of x equal to only the variable one x square x, comma k equals to, in this way you want to measure. Then write the formula and substitute. Now marginal cost means dc by dx is the formula. So d by dx of c is what? C is what? C of x is c. 1 by x cube minus 4x square minus 20x plus 7. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. 1 by 10 constant, x cube difference is 3x square. Power is 3, no? 3 into x power, that power will be reduced by 1. Minus 4 into x square becomes 2x. Minus 20 into x becomes 1. The 7 is constant 0. Now simplify 3 by 10 x square minus 8x minus 2. The marginal average cost means the average is AC now. That will differentiate with respect to x specific. So d by dx of AC already find out. Am I right? AC already find out. 1 by 10 x square minus 4x plus 20 7. Now again, this one differentiate with respect to x. 1 by 10 x square difference is 2x. 4 by x is 1. 20 is still constant. This is 7 into 1 by x. No? The difference is now 1 by x becomes minus 1 by x square. Now simplify. X by 5 minus 4 minus 7 by x square. This is the answer. You must find 1 by 1 by using formula. Here formula is very important. Difference comes idea also important. We get the answer. All the person asking. First question over. Is in here. Second question. The total cost of expense output of a form is given by C equals something. C can be C of x. The first question, find the cost when output is 4 units. That is what? Output is exactly when x equals 4, cost you know, cost C of, cost is what? C of 4, x is 4 you know. Substitute here 2 by 4, 3 into 4, by 30 by 5. Am I right? Now multiply 8 by 3, 30 by 5. LCM, 6 LCM, 16 plus 1 121 by 6. That is the answer. What is simplify? We get the answer 121 by 6. First answer over. Next one, average cost when output 10 minutes. Average, first you find average cost. Of average cost, AC, what formula? C base. C of x base formula. Now, what is given? 2 by 3x. Plus 35 by 2 by x. Now divide x is cancelled 2 by 3. Here 35 by 2x. When x equal to 10, comma, a is average cost is equal to 2 by 3, 35 by 2 into 10. Am I right? Now equal to 2 by 3 plus 35 by 20. What is LCM? 6 is LCM. Cos multiply 40 plus 103. Add equals 145 by 60. Am I right? Again 145 by, am I right? Average cost. Fifth table, what's that? Divide. In fifth level, we take 4 times here, 2 times 49 minus. This is the answer. It is possible to cancel non-cancel. Then marginal cost. First by marginal cost. Marginal cost means what? MC equal what? dc by dx is a formula. d by dx are c already given 2 by 3 x plus 30 by 2. Here 2 by 3 constant, x becomes 1. All are constant 0, 1 and 2 by 3. Now what is asking? When x is equal to 3, comma, MC equal to no x, 2 by 3 becomes the Suppose x3, x involved means substitute x equal to 3, this will be. But you know x, that is the answer. 3 answer. We must know the formula. Marginal cost, average cost, they are only costs. Substitute the different value. 3 parts are asking. Sometimes 3 parts are 3 mark questions, sometimes 5 mark questions. Now question number 3, here the revenue R given, the cost C given. This can be as x into x squared minus that's what it is x cube minus 2x. Am I right? Now first subdivision, the average cost is asking. Average cost means what is the formula? C of x by x is the formula. C of x by c x cube minus 2x by x divide x cube by x square 2x by x is 2 plus. Am I right? First answer. Then marginal cost is giving dc by dx is the formula. d by dx of c already given x cube minus 2x. Now differentiation of this one with respect to x. X cube become 3x square minus 2 into difference x is 1. 3x square minus 2 is the answer. Then average revenue, that means what? R by x is the formula. R of x by x or R by x. What does it say? Alright? R equal what? Already given 14x minus x square by x. Now 14x by x square by x. Cancel 14 minus x. Am I right? Then marginal revenue, that is what? dr by dx. Difference is 1 time. R only 14x minus 2x. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. 14 into 1 minus 2 into 1. Actually, 14x minus x square, no? Replace. Am I right? 14 minus 2 is the answer. Just simply, such the formula thoroughly. Then find 1 by 1. Average cost, marginal cost means we use the C value. Average revenue and the marginal revenue using the R value. That's very important. Revenue is R. That's why we consider R. Cost means C. You will consider C. That is very important. You want what? A cost also given, revenue also given. Now, next formula. First 4 questions, 3 questions. The marginal average cost, average fixed cost, the marginal revenue, etc. Next idea, the price elasticity of demand. This is beta. Beta D equal to minus d by x dx by dt. Here the price elasticity of supply beta s is equal to p by x dx by dt. Only elasticity is equal to beta equal to x by dx. Now fourth question, the elasticity of demand is asking. This is given. Am I right? This is given. First take the formula. Elasticity of demand. What is the formula? Beta D equal to minus d by x into dx by dt. Am I right? Now this is given now. Now differentiation of this one with respect to x. What is that? P x is involved. But dp by dx is equal to 10 constant. The e power something becomes e power something. If differentiation of something minus x by x is 1. So minus 1 into x power will come. This cancel. Minus 5 into e power minus x by 2. This is dx by dt. Am I right? Substitute here. Therefore, Neta d is equal to minus p is what? 10 into e power minus x by 2 divided by x is x only. Here, formula dx by dt. But here, what is the answer? dp by dt. That is reciprocal. Here we want to find. This is called dp by dx. We want dx by dp reciprocal. 1 by minus by e power minus x by 2. Therefore, elasticity of demand neta d equal to minus p is already given 10 into e power x by x is x only. In here 1 by minus 5 into e power minus x by 2. This will cancel. You 1 time 2 times. Minus cancel. 2 by x is the answer. You must follow the formula clearly. The formula is not what are the quantity. You will differentiate after the reciprocal. The term involved substitute the different answer. That's all. Formula important. Difference is also important. Yeah. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Question number 5, subject 1. This is given. Now, elasticity of demand is asking the same thing. And also, what is asking now? Find the value of x when the elasticity of demand is unity. That means what? And the neta d, that will be 1 mean what the x is asking. And that is x out. After finding elasticity of demand, that is equal to 1, put equal to 1. From that idea, you will find the value of x. That is extraordinary. Now this is given. What I told you? Here, p in terms of x is there. That's why differentiate with respect to x. But dv by dx is equal to already told you whole power. Inside by what out no problem. Something whole square mean 2 into something whole power reduced by 1 into differentiation of something a is 0 minus b into 1 b. Okay? Then minus 2b into a minus bx, the power denominator. But we want dx by dt. Am I right? Principle is what? Minus 1 divided by minus 2b into a minus bx. Am I right? Now, write the formula. Elasticity of demand. What's the formula? Neta d equal to minus b by x into dx by d is the formula. B is what? A minus bx whole square by x into here 1 divided by the minus of the 1 by minus 2 into 2b into a minus bx. This will cancel. Minus cancel. You get the answer? A minus bx divided by 2bx. This is actually neta d. But what is asking? X is asking. To find x when neta d equal to 1. Actually, what is asking? Find the value of x when the elasticity of demand is unity. Unity is 1. Now, suppose here, let's simplify. Neta d is what? A minus bx divided by 2bx equal to 1. Cross multiply. A minus bx equal to 2bx. A equal to 2bx plus bx. R equal 3bx. Cross multiply. Therefore, this is the answer. To find x, when elasticity of demand is unity is given, that is p equal to 1, neta d equal to 1. From that idea, you will find the value of x. This is the first answer. First, find elasticity of demand. Afterwards, x is asking when neta d 1. This is the first solution. Second solution is the same method. Now, second solution, p equal to a minus bx square. P in terms of x, differentiate with respect to x, dp by dx equal to a is constant 0. P into this difference is 2x minus 2bx. What is this equal to? 1 by 2bx. Take the formula. Now minus b is what? A minus x square by x into here 1 by minus 2 dx. Minus minus cancel. A minus bx square divided by here 2 bx square. This is a velocity of demand. This is called neta d. Now to find x, neta d what? The same thing only. Which implies neta d already find out. A minus bx square by 2bx square is 1. Cross multiply 2bx square. A equal to 2bx square plus bx square. Add equal 3b x square equal to a. X square equal to a by 3b. Now x equal to what is the answer? X equal to plus or minus. Put here. X is what I say? Unit. But that is not possible to negative. Negative is not possible. So root of a by 3b. That's the answer. That's all. Usually x square or something means x equal to plus or minus. But x is output actually. The output cannot be negative. Am I right? That's right. Only possible. This is the answer. Both of the same method. To find the velocity of demand by using the formula. After s, to find the value of x when neta d is 1. Now listen here. Sixth question. Find the velocity of supply. Supply is asking. X equal to given and then p equal to the also given. Now x equal to something now. That's right. Differentiate with respect to t. What is that? X in terms of p is there. But dx by dv is equal to 2 into p square. Difference of p square with respect to p is 2p plus constant is 0 plus 4p. Now elasticity of supply. What is the formula? Neta s equal to 1 to b by x plus dx by dv. P is what? 2p square plus 5 by x is what? Sorry, p only. X only given 2p square plus 5 into the dx by dv is 4p. Now 4p square by 2p square plus 5 is the neta s. Velocity of supply. But what is given? When p equal to 3, comma, neta s equal to 4 into 3 square, 2 into 3 square, plus 5. 4 into 3 square is 9. 2 into 3 square is 9 plus 5. Now, what is the multiplication? 4 9s are 36. 18 plus 5. 36 5, 43. The cancel is not possible. That's why the answer is 36 by 23 is the answer. Now, read the question. Velocity of supply is asking negative number. Demand is minus 1. And also, here x in term is given. But directly when dx by dv, need not reciprocal. Need not change the reciprocal. Am I right? The previous problem, p in terms x is there. But dv by dx, after finding dv by dx, you will reciprocal given term, we get the dx by dv. But in the questions of x in term p is given, thus we get the answer dx by dv. Formula also dx by dv, direct apply the we get the answer. But is it seventh question, the P small p is given. This is called demand. Now, the margin only asking me first to find revenue. Revenue equal to R equal to Px is what formula. Revenue equal to P into X. P is only given into X. Multiply 1 by P is common, 50x and X square. Now, from capital R, you will find the margin revenue. Margin revenue is what? MR. That means dr by dx. Substitute the R value. 1 by 5 is constant, 50x, 50 constant, x is 1. Minus difference x square 3 is 1 by 5, 50 minus 3 is the margin revenue. Now what is asking? When x is equal to 0, margin revenue asking. So margin revenue is equal to, when x is 0, 2 into 0, 0, cancel 10 times, that's all. When x is 25, margin revenue. X is 25, 2 into 25, 50, 50 minus 50, 0, 1 by 5 into 0, 0, that's the answer. What is asking? Margin revenue asking, and also when x equal to 0, when x equal to 25, asking. But the margin we ask me, we want revenue. Revenue is R. We want R. But R not given. From P, small p, you want multiple x. That is called revenue. Then margin only the differentiate R with respect to x. After finding MR, that is margin revenue. Substitute x equal to 0 for subdivision. When x equal to 25, another answer. That's all. Small concept. Question number 8. The supply function of certain goods is given x equal to a into root of p minus b, then p is unit price, a and b are constant. It's very important. Elastic different supply solving at x equal to 2p. After finding elastic supply, put substitute x equal to 2p. Now, x in terms of a and b constant, a and b constant. This is the variable. Am I right? Now x differentiate this x with respect to p. That's important. Am I right? But dx by dt is equal to a constant root of something. Already told you the root x differentiation is 1 by 2 times what is the formula? Root of something means 1 divided by root of something. Increments of something. A into 1 divided by 2 times root of something into the inside difference of something. The p with respect to p is 1, the b is constant 0. The answer is a by 2 into root of p minus. Am I right? By using this idea, root of something is 1 divided by 2 times root of something into differentiation inside the root. That is the concept. Can small a small b constant. Only p is the variable. Am I right? That's why dx will be. Now, elasticity of supply is asking. Elasticity of supply is asking. What is the formula? Beta s equal to p by x into db by actually what? Dx by dt. Am I right? Only plus, not minus. P is what? P already not given, P only. X is given. A is root of P minus B into the dx by dt is what? A by 2 into root of P minus B. A is am I right? B divided by 2 into root of P minus B. Root of P minus 1 P minus B. Am I right? This is actually beta s. This is beta s. But what is happening? When x equal to p, beta is equal to, am I right? Beta is when x equal to 2p, sorry, question is wrong. P equal to b. P equal to b. When p equal to b, substitute here, p is 2b. Divided by 2 into this b also 2b minus b, 2 to cancel. Then b by 2b minus b cancel. That is 1. Beta x 1 is cancelled. That's all. Am I right? But here, small a, small b, small x, small p, p involved. 4 outputs are involved. Out of these 4 outputs, a and b are constant. X and p are variable. Up x in terms of p is there, that's why dx by dt. Yeah, that constant. That's very important. In this variable, usually y in terms of x by dy, it's easy for you. Yeah, not like that. There's so many outputs are there. Out of so many outputs, what are the constant, what are the variable? You must understand that. Where a, b are constant, that's why dx by dt. The right formula for supply, the negative not minus. There is demand means minus will come. Supply means only plus. The right formula substitute the value after that. When small p, b equal to p, p equal to b, substitute that.